How many milliseconds are there in 15 years? Countless. A millisecond is all it takes to win a race, save a life, change the world. And that is why milliseconds, every single millisecond, means everything to us. At PI Works, we are inspired by the potential of mobile technologies to transform the lives of billions. This vision has guided us to earn the trust of our customers and expand our global footprint. Well, there really isn't a secret formula to our success. And no, it's not luck either. It's hard work. All the hard work put in by our best brains, all the commitment and the drive to develop and deliver the most advanced network automation solutions in the world. Let's take a look at the story of PI Works.
Prior co-founding PI Works back in 2005, I had the opportunity to work for top-tier operators and the vendors all around the world. When you listen to them, they will all talk about different challenges, but actually it comes down to the same root cause: the growing complexity in the mobile networks, along with the cost. In our first years, PI Works shined as a successful startup by challenging the status quo in the mobile industry. Later on, we started enjoying high growth and achieved many firsts in the industry. For example, in 2019, we deployed first 5G network automation solution. Proudly announced now, it's time to scale as the market leader while empowering our customer business to grow. We are fully committed to realize the vision of zero-touch networks. We shall continue work hard to achieve our mission and revolutionize the way the mobile networks are managed.
Starting out 15 years ago in a humble office, PI Works has evolved to become one of the fastest growing technology companies in the telecoms domain. PI Works has expanded its global customer footprint across multiple continents, having been recognized by Deloitte as an EMEA Fast 500 company for 7 years in a row. For us, no dream is too big, and no challenge is too small. But what is it that makes our technology unique?
Actually, there are many things that makes us unique, but let me talk about two things. The first one is our people. We hire the best of the best. We work with people who are ambitious enough to change the world, to make things in a different way, to challenge the status quo. That's the type of craziness that we are looking for. That's what drives us and helps us come up with the best solutions for our customers. And the second thing is our customers. We co-innovate with our customers. We work with them side by side. We understand their requirements, not only existing requirements, but their future requirements. And we come up with use cases that will take them forward.
Well said. After all these years, PI Works has emerged as a leader in its domain, challenging the norms of network management with its disruptive and cutting-edge solutions. Moving forward, we are committed to continuously invent and innovate, with an aim to cater for both the current and future requirements of mobile operators. But at the bottom of it all, our success can be attributed to our strong team, a culture built on integrity, trust, and respect is at the core of everything we do. This has laid the foundation for our team to become our customers' trusted partners in delivering them top quality products and services. Let's find out a little bit more about life at PI Works.
In PI Works, we are working cross-functionally. So we are not only working in our departments, but work with all other departments. So as a result, every employee in here has the chance to develop their career internationally and also can transfer to other departments throughout their PI Works life.
From a newcomer intern to the top of the company, everyone can have conversation with each other. And there is no strict border between people, teams, or departments.
When you have new ideas, you can easily talk with CEO to get his perspective, or when you would like to apply new technologies, ongoing projects, your team supports you.
15 years of continued success comes from building and delivering a truly vendor-independent automation and management platform.
The positive and friendly working environment, where collaboration and self-development are fully encouraged.
I've had the chance to work with very talented people, and I supported a lot of projects in Turkey, Algeria, Qatar, Belarus, APAC, and the UK.
Thanks, team. At PI Works, we strive to do the impossible. We will challenge ourselves and we will challenge norms. We will not stop. We will not hold back. We will invent and we will innovate. We will connect the world because that's what we do.